Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money online. First, you need to decide what kind of online business you want to start. There are a lot of options, including selling products or services, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and blogging. Once you have an idea of what you want to do, you need to create a website or platform where you can promote your business. This could be a blog, an e-commerce store, or even a social media page. Next, you need to start building an audience. This could involve creating content, running ads, or using SEO tactics to get more people to your website. Once you have an audience, you can start making money. This could involve selling products or services, displaying ads, or affiliate marketing. Finally, you need to be consistent and work hard. Making money online requires dedication and hard work, so don't give up if you don't see results right away. That's it. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to make money online.